Hello friends and happy Friday! Because it's Friday, we are solving another Exemplars word problem. Our focus today especially is making sure that we are circling the numbers and underlining the question, as well as asking ourselves, what is the question asking me to find out? Now, as we go on in the school year, we're going to be making sure that we are also boxing the keywords, that we are evaluating, but we're going to take it bit by bit. So Vanessa has a rose garden. Vanessa has 8 red rose bushes. Vanessa has 4 yellow rose bushes. Vanessa thinks she has 12 rose bushes in her garden. Is Vanessa correct? Show all of your mathematical thinking. So remember, we want to read it a second time and a third time. So this time when I read it, I'm going to circle my numbers. Vanessa has a rose garden. Vanessa has hold on. I'm going to take a look at my numbers in word form chart to help me figure out what number this word is. So I want to go down, down, down until I see the matching word. E, I, G, H, T. Oh, 8. So because it's written in word form, I'm going to write the number here so I don't forget. And I'm going to circle it. Vanessa has 8 red rose bushes. Vanessa has F, O, U, R, 4 yellow rose bushes. Vanessa thinks she has 12 12 rose bushes in her garden. Is Vanessa correct? Show all of your mathematical thinking. Okay, now what is my question? Well, I know that a question ends with a question mark, and that a sentence, the first word in a sentence, begins with a capital letter. So, where is that? Correct? Question mark? Is. Sorry, I don't know why my mind went there. Is Vanessa correct? But wait a minute. Correct about what? Correct about what? Well, I need this part. Vanessa thinks she has 12 rose bushes in her garden. Is Vanessa correct? So is Vanessa correct about having 12 rose bushes in her garden? That is my question, right? So I'm going to make a key for my diagram. We'll say that orange will be the yellow rose bushes and red will be red. Okay, now I'm going to read it actually one more time because I don't think I read it the third time. And I just want to make sure I know. So Vanessa has a rose garden. Vanessa has 8 red rose bushes. Vanessa has 4 yellow rose bushes. Vanessa thinks she has 12 rose bushes in her garden. Is Vanessa correct? Show all of your mathematical thinking. So now, it's a little tricky because it's not like I see words like in all or things like that, but I know that she has 8 red rose bushes, and she also has 4 yellow rose bushes. She wants to know if she's right about having 12 rose bushes overall in her garden. Well, you know what? I'm going to use my counters to help me so that I can see it. And look at that, they're yellow and red. So, 8 red rose bushes. It might be a little hard to see here. Oh, and they are magnetic. Oh, perfect. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, very cool. I forgot that they were magnetic. And 4 yellow. 1, 2. Huh. Look at that. It looks like I've made 10. 3, 4. Now what do I see here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, it looks like I am adding, and I'm actually going to turn this into a 10 frame. I can make a 10 frame to show my work. Right now, I'm using the manipulatives to help me, but then my manipulatives aren't going to stay on that paper, right? And I want to show my work. I have to make sure I write my math fact. So, 8. I see 8 over here. Plus 4. Let's see, let's count on. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Huh. So 8, I'm going to write them in the color. Plus 4 equals 12. Huh. So that means, was Vanessa correct? Yes, she absolutely was. Have to write that written statement. Vanessa was correct. She has a total of 12 rose bushes. Oop. Oh no. Well, see, this is why we're going to draw them in her garden. That was a great example of why we make sure we draw to show all of our thinking. So this is my representation, my diagram. Oop. And then I want to see, what did I notice? What did I notice about my math? 8, 4, 12. Oh, those are all even numbers. I noticed that the parts and the whole are even. And you know what? I can even show that with a part whole mat. Remember, this is a part whole mat, right? The whole goes on top. That gets me thinking about even numbers and addition. Okay, now before I let you guys go, because you guys know Miss Shibun forgets, let me finish my diagram. So remember, I'm not drawing these beautiful, elegant roses. I am representing my roses. I'm using little pictures and tools and drawings like dots, and on my math tool, which is a 10 frame, to help me show and visualize my work, because we do not want to waste time. Okay, friends, I hope that that was helpful. Make sure that You only solve one exemplar word problem. Take a look and read which one feels just right to you. If it's too tricky and too challenging, then do the one that's a little bit less challenging. So we want to make sure that we're choosing the just right one for us. Have a wonderful day and a great weekend.